Hey everybody, Mrs. Norris here. So we are going to be moving on to a new resource called TinkerCAD. And TinkerCAD is an opportunity to manipulate 3D objects on a singular plane. And this is useful for like 3D printing. This is how a lot of 3D printing projects start, is with a program like the one you'll be learning in these next couple of weeks. So what I'm going to walk you through is the sign up process, and then you'll be exploring some TinkerCAD on your own. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of myself down here. And let's get started. So it says go to TinkerCAD. And what I'm going to do is split this here. Okay. And then we're not going to click on the students join a class. We're not doing that. Instead, we're going to click on create a personal account. Okay. And we are going to create an account using our student Gmail account. Okay. Now I already have an account, so it's possible that it's just going to sign me in. But for you, make sure you sign in with your student Gmail account. It might have a few steps to tell you a little bit about yourself. I do know that because you are under 17, you may need to get a parent approval for this, but I'm not quite sure. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can sign in as my stepson. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click continue. Okay. And what we can do on our own time, if you want, is you can explore any of the parts of TinkerCAD on your own. But for right now, let's go ahead and continue getting signed in. So I'm going to go ahead and close this here. Now, if you want to make any changes like to your picture or anything like that, you can do that on your own time as well. Or you can pause this tutorial and do it now. Totally up to you. But I'm going to go ahead and move on. So we've created an account with our Google, and now what we're going to do is join the class. So on our dashboard where it says your classes, go ahead and click on that. And then it says join a class. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Okay, and here is our class code. So what I'm going to do is copy and paste. Okay, so making sure that the number is correct. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to my class. Okay, period 6 CAD, and this year 2021, that's what we want to see. Period 6 class, or CAD if it's another year besides March 2021, April 2021, then this class period might be different, and that's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and click that's me. Okay. And let's see your classes. So here we have our class. Now your instruction was to take a screenshot of your name in our class and submit it in Canvas. So this is what we are going to take a screenshot of. So I'm going to go ahead and set my screenshot up, and I'm going to take a picture from here to here. So I, as your teacher, can see your first and last name. I can see the your classes is highlighted, so I know that this is your class, and then there's my class specifically. So I'm going to go ahead and let go. Okay, and then this is the picture that I want to submit for a grade, but I do want to make sure that I change the file name. So I'm going to go ahead and rename it to my first and last name underscore join TinkerCAD. Okay, so first and last name underscore join TinkerCAD. Okay, and then this will be the picture that I submit before I can move on to the next part of this activity.